When changing ink type on your fast color large format printer from AM.CO.za, this is what you do. Step 1. Remove the head cover and place tissue paper around the head to prevent any spillage going onto the data cables and causing any form of electrical damage. Step 2. Disconnect the ink from the ink tanks to stop any flow of ink going back towards the head. Step 3. Remove the dampers and drain the tubes out with a syringe and discard of it into a bucket of sorts. Step 4. Remove the filters on the tubes on the tank side and tie a knot in the tubes to prevent spillage when you're pulling them through the machine. Step 5. Remove clamps holding the tubes down on the machine. And then start pulling the tubes through towards the head. All of the tubes and dampeners will be thrown away because the ink may have become dry anywhere along the line. And also give the head a good clean where the dampers came out. The old ink, however, can be reused, so you can store it away or use it on another printer. Step 6. Now install the new tubes in reverse order. Feed the new tubes through from the head side towards the tanks. Make sure to leave extra tube length on either side at first. Step 7. Tighten everything back in place. Step 8. Feed the tubes through the tank side and fit new tanks in place. Step 9. Attach new filters to the tubes and fit them in place onto the tanks. Step 10. Separate the tubes and attach the new dampers onto the tube. Step 11. Fill the tanks with the new ink type. Step 12. Using a syringe again, pour the ink through the tubes from the dampers side. And once that is done, put the dampers back in place. Step 13. Now you can do a manual flush and a cleaning of the head. And finally, you can do a print test. However, please note, we highly recommend that you book an AM.CO.za technician to do this procedure for you, as all our technicians are highly skilled in this regard. Thank you for watching.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.